How to make cooking gas by using the biodigester method. You know, cooking gas can be made from simple natural materials. It can be made from plants and animals. So you see guys, when you have used vegetables or you have plants that are very high in biofuel, don't discard or do away or even burn down the plant. You can use it to make bio cooking gas. You can also use animal droppings, and do you know that even human excreta can be used in the manufacturing of biogas. Now biogas is a cooking gas that is made up of methane. You know, methane is simply a combination of carbon and hydrogen. All right, that's what forms biogas. Now, to make a biogas, you need to build a biodigester first, just like you see this person doing. You will do what? You will build a biodigester where you can pour in the ruminant droppings or grounded and used vegetable. Then you will connect it to another container or a cylinder where the gas will be collecting into the other container in order for you to do what? In order for you to make biogas. So you can see an example. You build the biodigester with an outlet. You build where you will be pouring the content, and you have to seal it until you want to do what? You want to pour some content into it, or you want to get rid of it. You can do what? Open the container. So guys, you see an example. You see where water, excess water will be dripping into a container. There is an outlet for it, and another outlet for the biogas to be collecting at the top. You know, because it's a gas, it will be evaporating. Even as water evaporates, water will vaporize or evaporate and drip into the container you see beside, and the gas itself will evaporate through this tube into this tire used new. It could be used or new, but ensure that it doesn't have any holes in it. Then I don't buy the idea of using a rubber tire. All right, I prefer that you use a gas cylinder to collect the gas that will be formed. Then you do what? At the end of the day, you can connect the tube from the cylinder, gas cylinder itself, to a gas stove, where you can do what? You can make your fire, boil whatever you want to boil, cook whatever you want to cook, and do what? And make something for yourself. As you continue watching the video, you're going to see where somebody built a simple biodigester. You can see guys, this is a container the person used. The person mixed grounded vegetable and ruminant droppings together and poured into the container. Then you can see how this person has connected the pipe to the gas collection point, right? And you can see how the pipe has also been connected to the gas stove. So that's all you need to do. Ensure that there is an outlet, there is an inlet for pouring of the content, there is an outlet for collection of water at the middle, and a top outlet for collection of gas. Then another for the collection of the gas, you fix a pipe and fix it to a gas cylinder, and you do what? Collect the gas. After a number of days, you will notice that the gas will be collecting. So let's say basically after 1 week, you'll be able to connect the pipe from the cylinder directly to the gas stove and light it up and do what, and be able to cook. And that's just how simple it is to make natural biogas or biogas. You know, the thing with sugarcane is that sugarcane is very volatile. So the leaves of sugarcane, or after squeezing the sugarcane, they used sugarcane chaff can be used in the manufacturing of biogas. It's highly volatile. You have guinea corn straw, you have a whole lot of things. You have leaf of life or Cenchrus penicitum and Cenchrus purpureus. You can use it in the manufacturing of biogas. But I won't advise it because it's highly medicinal. We use it a lot in the fields of medicine. Don't throw away the used vegetable you buy from the market. Don't throw away banana peels. You can ground it and keep it, or you can convert it to powder and liquefy it by mixing it with water and pour it in your biodigester. When you eat watermelon, eat orange, guys. Don't throw away the peels. You can use all of this in the manufacturing of biogas. You have animals like chicken, like cows, and the rest of them. Goats, please don't throw away their excretors. You can use it for the manufacturing of biogas. All right, so if this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to Machine Art channel for more uploads. Thank you.